Ready, start. Petitioner faces indictment in a prosecution for the offence punishable under Section 55A of the Kerala Akbari Act. At the crime stage, he was arrested and was enlarged on bail. It is submitted. Investigation is complete. Final report has already been filed. Cognizance has been taken. Committal proceedings has been registered. The petitioner has not entered appearance so far. Coercive processes have been issued against the petitioner. The petitioner who apprehends imminent arrest in execution of such processes has now come to this court with this petition praying for the issue of directions under section 482 CRPC to the learned magistrate to comply with the dicta in Alice George versus the Deputy Superintendent of Police in bracket 2003 KLT 339 bracket close and Sukumari versus State of Kerala in bracket 2001 KLT 22 bracket close and to consider his application for bail to be filed by him when he surrenders before the learned magistrate on merits in accordance with law and expeditiously on the date of surrender itself. Riju Thomas versus State of Kerala on 20 November 2008. Para. Sufficient general directions have already been issued in Alice George versus the Deputy Superintendent of Police. I am not satisfied that it is necessary for this court in every subsequent case to issue directions under section 482 CRPC to the magistracy to follow the dictum in Alice George versus the Deputy Superintendent of Police and Sukumari versus State of Kerala 2001 KLT 22. Every court must do the same. I have no reason to assume that the same shall not be done. If there be non-compliance, the avenues of challenge are available for the petitioner. Para. This criminal miscellaneous case is, in these circumstances, dismissed but with the above specific observations. The common question arising for consideration in all these petitions is whether the petitioners who are accused of committing offence under section 55 of the Akbari Act and facing committal proceedings can be released on bail by the committing court. All these petitions were filed invoking section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, for short the Code, for issuing a direction to the committing court to release the petitioner on bail in the event of their surrender or appearance before the committing court. As the same question is involved in all the above cases, these petitions are considered and disposed of by this common order.